Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Trade of the Day. And for today's Trade of the Day, I will be looking at the CAD yen. Right, the CAD has seen some increase in volatility given the moves in the oil market. So I want to see how this risk on currency performs against the safe haven. Right, so interestingly though, I'll start off with the monthly. So I'll show you guys how I derive my outlook on yen. Now we see that price has actually been in a downtrend, right? And price made a new low before really bouncing back up. However, there's a strong rejection here, and this strong rejection is not surprising because if we look to the left, there is actually a support turn resistance, right? And I can put this level in, okay, and it's really a strong resistance level where price currently is. Okay, so let's very quickly go down to the weekly. So even on the weekly, right, even on the weekly, well, this is the monthly resistance, okay, to show price actually possibly going downwards, right? On the weekly, we see this sort of a hyper extended move up, push up, and then nearly just as quick, a sharp drop down. Now this drop is also quite reasonable because if we take the retracement from the last movement from the high to the low, we see that price is actually reacted right below the 76.40. And if we were to draw another resistance, right, it's another support turn resistance level. This was the story on the monthly, and now it's the same story on the weekly. All right, so very clearly, there's very strong resistance on the monthly and the weekly, and with that, let's move down to the daily. On the daily, the picture doesn't change much, right? Here we see price testing this level strongly, break, come back up, tested this graphical overlap, and is now currently testing this level. So what I'm thinking price could do is price is holding at this level and could very well possibly go lower. And because we're on a daily, I will just not be too ambitious and actually put the low over here. Okay, so I will call this the daily target. So this is my daily target for CAD yen. Okay, I'll just put a daily target very quickly. Let's go down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, if we were to zoom in and just tidy things up, this one is the monthly level. And let me just bring this forward, okay, to somewhere over here. You can ignore this weekly level because it's too far away. Now, on the monthly level, on the daily, what I'm thinking price could very well actually do a quick push down here towards the daily. Now, further, if I were to connect all these lows, we see that the trend line has already actually been broken, right? So there is already a trend line that has been broken. Okay, so we have this sort of this broken trend line. Okay, all right, can touch as many bodies as possible. You can cut the wick but not the body. All right, so we see that price has sort of formed like a double top pattern, okay, and could very well go lower. Now if we were to take this as one entire movement, okay, I do the retracement from the low to the high, okay, and bring out all Fibonacci ratios. We see that price is already below 23, and generally when price breaks below 23, it will go to the 61 level. Generally speaking, right? Generally speaking. So what I have now then is really two profit target level, right? Price will drop down to this level first, and then all the way down to the daily. Okay. For those of you who are really risk averse and you want to wait for confirmation, graphically you can use this as sort of a downside confirmation. Once price breaks below, this can be your take profit partial. All right, and then the daily, of course, will be your take profit, your normal take profit. And because the monthly level is here, I would actually want to give my trade some room to breathe. So I'll back it up. I'll back up the stop loss to just above the last high. Okay, so this will be the stop loss. So if I were to put it like that, the risk reward for the trade will be nice. Okay, about a 2:1 kind of thing. You see, it's nearly 1.4, and the loss is about 0.7. So it's nearly 2:1. So this makes for a fair trade. All right, and once price actually comes down to the take profit, I'll close out about 50% of my position. move my stop loss to break even, all right, protect the position, and then let the rest of the position run to the final take profit. Okay, and if I were to even include a moving average, okay, just to show you guys moving average, give a wider number, say 34, even 21. Okay, we actually see that price is already hovering around the moving average area and is looking to break below the moving average area. All right, so this is the trade of the day for CAD Yen and intraday short-term opportunity that I see. Thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you.